Hey everybody, another 7 days gone by, and I think this is probably going to be the final installation, because I'm going to probably terminate the zucchinis, and I'm just going to be having tomatoes. Zucchinis keep putting out leaves, but every time they get a little bigger than this, they go rotten. So I don't know maybe it's the heat. The cucumber, I've got maybe 4 cucumbers this whole time. I don't know what's going on with it, but the tomatoes don't seem to mind the heat. So if anything exciting happens, I'll of course keep you updated. But I want to thank everybody for watching, and we'll see you when I fire up a new garden next year. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.